awesome vlog. Alex is taking me to Sage's house right now and we're going to a Padres game. Woo! This is the fit check. Hat from my dad, shirt from Shein, shorts from Levi's. Okay, you do a fit check. Bubble gum, bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
It's my birth month. Woo! That's it. She's a Leo. This is so awesome. How do you feel right now? Okay. Oh, also, Alex clogged Sage's toilet.
And I said, home run right here. He goes, nah, it's gonna be a single, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, I thought you got excited because of fireworks.
Oh my god, I love fireworks.
1972.
I thought I was gonna be on the big screen and now I'm upset because I'm not on the big screen.
And set the major league standard for
Say something!
13 and total bases
You look pale as shit.
What the fuck? It's so light. Canon G7X?
with a slide and children with 3.
We won! Look where we're at. I got 2 flavors, largest size I've ever gotten from Handles, chocolate milk chunk, vanilla caramel brownie, and they're still waiting for theirs. Hey guys, we're gonna throw an all-nighter in San Diego.
Yeah! I'm leaving in 2 days.
Yes, it is Christmas Eve Eve.
It is Christmas Eve!
Christmas Eve Eve.
Put the thing of
Wait, why is it
Friends
Christmas?
with the little like. Wait, it's Christmas Eve Eve. I'll send you it.
Why is it Christmas with her?
Why is it Christmas for you?
Because when she leaves, it's Christmas. Yeah, so we're going to San Diego for the entire night. We're going to stay up. It's gonna be awesome.
You only have 2 bags.
Next time you see me, we're gonna be there.
I'm here. Oh, how was that Hawaii?
Hawaii was awesome. I loved Hawaii. Hawaii was cool. I am Hawaii.
Annabelle, he got a fish.
Ooh, look at that.
This is my last time at Paradise Point. It's sentimental music. We came here.
Can I be the sentimental
prom night? Wait.
Oh, I mean, I have
Okay,
music.
real talk. I'm the only one excited that Sage is leaving for college.
No, Riley's
I'm
really
fucking
excited. I'm leaving in 2 days.
Ryan and Riley are gonna do it together when
No way. I'm gonna do a voiceover and just say
for
it,
you.
and that's it.
Riley and Ryan are gonna do it when I leave.
Yeah, they're gonna do it.
Bought $800 worth of Hermes shit.
Airman?
Ooh, oh, I saw that.
You know what I did?
It's a necklace and bracelet.
Ooh.
I've been packing all day, and packing is very stressful. And I was packing my underwear, and Calvin wouldn't help.
he was sneaking it in his bag actually.
Yeah, he probably
like-
So he
was.
can frame it when she leaves.
When does Annabelle leave for college?
September 15th.
Fuck, that's so long.
You have to deal with me for a
That's
whole
so
month.
long.
Oh, you can be invited to our going away party. We only have 5 people right
I'll
now.
throw it. I'll throw it.
Yay! Go, Sage. Don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
For 5, I push Sage in.
Yeah.
Say
Yeah.
it in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
Nothing. Just cast it.
Hold on, I'm confused. Just go like this. I do.
Okay, we both said 4. You said 4 in the comments.
Did it go?
So I'll push her in.
Go.
You.
No! You caught a fish. Oh, that's seaweed.
I caught a fish.
Let's look at the tattoo.
Oh yeah. This is just a real tan. Yeah.
Sage is catching her 8th meal of the day.
Soggy, sloppy.
No way.
Give it to Sage.
That's a big one.
She caught it.
That's way bigger than
Yeah, I would have really caught it. I was just eating it.
Holy big.
Holy heck.
Awesome. Focus on me. Okay.
So Annabelle, how do you feel about that fish?
Pretty
Can this be like 72 questions? With Annabelle?
73, yeah.
73? Oh, is it
Okay.
73?
Let me
Oh,
take you a tour
alright.
on my hotel.
Okay,
This is my resort.
okay.
Oh,
I can't, I got you. I
ask
can't
me
see, but
more
I got you.
questions.
What inspired you to come to Paradise Point tonight?
I don't know, all my friends are doing it, so I did it.
Worst bitch to interview ever.
This by myself, just like I would be like sitting to myself, talking to myself, and I just practice like interview questions.
Okay.
Like I would ask myself questions, and I'd be like, oh, like, why? Like, why did you start YouTube and everything?
Next question, where are we going?
I don't know. Oh, he's giving me an interview. You wanna follow?
Next question, who are they?
That's Riley Finch, that's Sage. You know, like the 73 questions? This is that. We're doing an interview section.
Next question, why did you burp like that?
Like what?
Can you ask me a question?
Next question, why are you fat? Just kidding.
Hey! Don't talk to her like that. Yeah, don't call me fat.
Next question, where is Campbell?
Campbell's like kissing a pig.
Cut it out. It's all cut out. Cut it out.
Wait,
Cut it out.
can you leave that in?
Annabelle
But, like-
editing.
but, like, bleep
Oh
it.
yeah, I'll do dolphin noise.
The dolphin, I love the dolphin noise in your vlogs.
Yeah, Annabelle, cut it out.
Can you do this instead of the dolphin noise?
Okay, yeah. I gotta
That's
make sure
cool.
I remember that.
Ella graduates in 2 days.
We'll see Ella on Christmas. I mean,
Um,
we'll text Ella on Christmas.
Well, I think she's coming home for Christmas.
Riley, the first message to Ella should just be Merry Christmas to Ella.
Yes.
When she texts in the group chat, we just have to say Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Look, Campbell got fish blood on her arm.
Yeah.
That's the
and in my
update.
hair. And on my leg. Well, I wiped it off.
Oh, look at this. What are you doing?
I'm thinking about if I need to pee or not.
Well,
I probably should.
I should probably pee too. Look what we got! Sage got one last fireworks show in California. Ooh!
Sage is jumping for joy.
She's happy. No way they're running for this. Aww. How do you feel that we just saw fireworks?
Guys, I love fireworks almost as much as I love cookies. That was the best thing that's ever happened. I know.
Update, guys.
At 7-Eleven?
Not everyone
Yeah.
gets to get a spray tan like you.
Oh. Anyway, show us your bang.
Blue raz. Nothing gets you like blue.
Blue raz.
Blue raz.
Yeah. Update, guys. We got, Campbell got the munchies from 7-Eleven. Shit's going down. Oh, and Gatorade. What'd you get?
Got water.
We have to go in the car.
Awesome. We have to go in the car.
We got Chex Sticks and Bang.
Yeah. She got wood. I got wood. Awesome.
I can't believe my sir.
Hey guys, we're making a fire in a fire pit.
Yeah, I know.
Paradise Point.
Tell us what we're doing.
Merry Christmas Eve, guys.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Anyway, look. Ella got her phone. Look. Oh. Yes, that's my vlog camera. Look. We made it to the beach, guys. Oh. Beach. I don't remember having a transition.
No, I'm just making one right now.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
cool,
okay.
awesome. Okay. Oh, look, Forerunner. It's Campbell.
Did you vlog?
Wait,
in
this is-
Target?
I think that is.
This is actually Campbell. Oh yeah, I did.
You did? Did you vlog on the toilet? when you're
Look.
taking a
Hey,
fat
Campbell.
shit?
It's her diary. Where's her diary? Let's read it. Ooh. We're gonna read your diary, Campbell. Yeah, we just got off the phone call with Ella. We haven't seen her in like 8 weeks.
Annabelle, who-
Hi. We're back with the whole gang. Yeah, she's eating Alex's cookies.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, I'm so excited. We're gonna go in the water now. Good advice. Wear sunscreen. Like Alex. Look at Alex. Yeah, use it. Look at him. Me and Riley almost died.
Yeah, she like sat on top of me and like I couldn't breathe.
It's Christmas Eve. How do you feel, Sage?
One of my last takeovers. I'm pretty sad about leaving, obviously. I have really great friends here. I love the beach. But I actually woke up this morning in like a really like good mood. I think it's come to terms that like I'm leaving and like there's nothing I can do about it, so I may as well be happy about it. Obviously it sucks I'm leaving, but you know, in the wise words of Ella, life goes on. And my life is just going on a little sooner than everyone else, but that's okay, because I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna have so many stories to tell. And you know, it's okay, because we're all gonna end up back. What?
Just doxed us.
What'd I do?
My followers don't know that I'm from.
We're all gonna come back to California. in our hometown. We're all gonna come back to our hometown. But yeah, I'm sad I'm leaving. It sucks being like one of the first people to leave. But like at least I don't have to watch everyone else leave because I would have been a mess with all those goodbyes. So I just gotta do all my goodbyes at once. But yeah, love California.
A fun fact, I've seen him before at Carlsbad. Also, apparently he runs in Harveston. We just went on a walk, us four, me, Kaylin, Ryan, and Riley Finch. And we walked down all the way to the rocks.
Followers are gonna think you're actually like mental.
What the fuck? Anyway, yeah, so I got into a fight with squirrels. What do you guys think about my fight with squirrels?
I think you kind of look like a squirrel.
My name's Calvin.
I mean, this for real. I found out today that
The woman was too stunned to speak.
I was on the back of Xander's car and we were doing donuts on Buck Road. And the car started and I wasn't in, so I was holding on and I was outside of the car trying to get into the back. And I flew off, hit my head so hard, and there was like a tennis ball in the back of it, and I never told my parents.
So you just found out now, in your living room.
And I'm in Texas, so you can't do anything.
We're doing Oklahoma with Sage and Calvin. Comment down below who do you think's gonna win.
Sage, duh!
Yeah, Team Sage. Woo! Yeah.
Oh, Sage is going down.
Oh shit.
I don't believe it.
I got my money on Sage.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Sage all the way.
Go again.
This shit is about to get real.
Yeah. She went a real ago, like 2 months ago. I caked her. Now she's gonna probably fuck my shit up.
Let's go!
Here you go.
Annabelle sits the cake.
Okay. My team's Annabelle.
We'll make it a
Cake.
combo.
Okay. Whose team are you on?
Dude, Marianne, I want her to rock the
Okay.
poo out of it.
Annabelle or Marianne? Okay. Marianne. Okay.
Marianne.
You're just going for the
That's true. I go for whoever wins.
Go walk.
I'm gonna send you the video of when Alex threw me to the fucking floor.
Oh yeah, and I'm gonna put the video clip of Alex throwing Marianne on the floor too.
3, 2, 1, go.
Look at the train tracks. Awesome! Now we're going to the bridge and more people are gonna jump off. So cool. This is the bridge, guys. Guys, I just took my last film picture and it's been a collection of 8 months. And now we're gonna get food. Yeah.
I'm so excited. Annabelle said she's gonna send them to me first because I'm gonna be
something like that.
I'm gone.
Oh,
you're
and
gonna be gone too.
you'll get it.
First, 'cause you're in the
You'll get it.
future.
Yeah, you're in the future. That's what I was literally gonna say. Yeah.
Whoa.
So you technically
big
already.
brain. Oh my gosh, now when you post, it's not gonna be 12, it's gonna be 2.
Yeah, you gotta be ready.
That's oh, that's perfect. My practice ends at 2.
So she has to
Perfect. Okay, I
wait
have to
from
post at
practice
12.
to vlog.
Remember, transition to food. Last California Mexican food here.
Okay, then I need to
Anyway.
get something important.
Yeah.
I should get
California burrito. Yeah. Okay, you know, I'm gonna get a California burrito. 'Cause why not?
12 rolled tacos. Did you see Calvin? He ordered 12 rolled tacos.
Oh shit, I got that on video.
Holy big.
Look at his rolled doggos.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
Look how big this burrito is, guys. You wanna say something in my vlog?
No.
Okay.
Hi.
Yeah.
Who's guys, bro?
Guys? What do you mean?
Like, hi, guys.
Oh, I just always say hi, guys. It's to my subscribers. Guys, Last Supper, 12th rolled taco. Finish it.
I'm so proud of you.
We're back at the beach, guys. Tamarack, we're at the Rainbow Hotel, and it's gonna be the last sunset at the beach for Stage in a while. Yep, it's already starting.
It's so pretty.
It's so cool.
She's freaking out. She hasn't been to the beach since like October or something. I don't
This is
know.
Maylyn's actually her first time at the beach.
Yeah. Look at the sunset, guys. Wow.
Guys and guys and girls.
Sorry.
Life goes on.
That was a really good going away speech. Aww, behind the scenes photo. This is the end of the vlog, guys. Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Sage out.